Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funzo, and if you're new here, welcome. To boiling water, add salt. Then add the pasta. Let the pasta cook completely. In a new pot, melt some margarine and then add the flour. Let that cook for a little bit at medium to low heat. Add in the milk slowly while whisking to avoid lumps. Add in the seasoning. Take off the heat. In a new pot, sweat the onions and mushrooms. Then add in salt and pepper. Make sure the water is reduced completely. Then add the bechamel sauce into the pot. Then mix. After that, add in the cheese. Then take it off the heat. Drain the cooked pasta and then bring it back to the stove and add in the sauce. Then serve. Okay, that's it for me guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Also follow me on all my social media platforms. Till next time, bye.